Welcome to a land where history breathes in every corner and nature paints a masterpiece at every turn. Welcome to Austria. In this first part of our journey, we step into the heart of the empire, Vienna, a city that was once the center of the world. For centuries, the Habsburgs ruled from here, leaving behind a legacy of unparalleled artistic and architectural splendor. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Our walk begins at Stephansdom, the soul of Vienna. Its colorful roof tiles have witnessed over 800 years of history. Stepping through the Graben, you feel the pulse of the city, a blend of modern luxury and timeless Baroque elegance. We arrive at the Hofburg. This massive complex was the winter residence of the emperors, housing thousands of rooms and secrets. Inside these walls, the Spanish riding school preserves the classical art of dressage, a tradition that remains unchanged for centuries. The Ringstrasse is a showcase of 19th century ambition, lined with palaces and institutions that defined an era. The Rathaus stands as a testament to the city's civic pride, its Gothic spires dominating the skyline near the parliament. But Vienna isn't just a museum of the past. The museum's quartier is a vibrant hub where art meets modern city life. No visit is complete without the coffeehouse culture. It's an institution here, a place to linger, read, and discuss the world. In legendary spots like Café Central, the ghosts of writers and philosophers seem to still whisper over cups of melange. Moving south, we find the Belvedere. This summer palace is home to some of the world's most precious art, including Klimt's The Kiss. The gardens are a masterpiece of landscape design, offering a serene escape with panoramic views of the city spires. For a different perspective, we head to the Prater. The giant Ferris wheel has been a symbol of Vienna since 1897. The Danube flows gracefully through the city, connecting Vienna to the heart of Europe and beyond. Finally, we reach the crown jewel, Schönbrunn. With 1,441 rooms, it is a monument to imperial power. The vast parkland surrounding the palace is a world of its own, filled with fountains, hidden grottos, and history. From the Gloriette, we look back over the city, a perfect vantage point to appreciate the scale of the Habsburgs' vision. Before we conclude, we taste the local life at the Naschmarkt, where Vienna's culinary diversity truly shines. Vienna is just the beginning. Join us in part 2 as we journey into the breathtaking Austrian Alps and the city of Mozart. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.